Good day, we are the Group 4. Our group was assigned to design a computer network for an internet cafe or gaming hub using Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video, we will explain our organization overview, network designs, system components, user management plan, network administration model, and the additional recommended features we implemented, which are VLAN, configuration, and DHCP.
An internet cafe or gaming hub is a small business that provides computers and internet access for customers, mainly for online gaming, browsing, and digital services. Our internet cafe has two main areas: the administration area and the customer or gaming area.
The users of the network include the administrator, staff members, and customers who use the gaming computers. The main goal of this organization is to maintain a fast, stable, and secure network to ensure smooth gaming performance and reliable internet access.
So, this is our Internet Coffee Gaming Hub network design creating using a Cisco Packet Tracer. So, this is our miningayan sa amo ko Internet Coffee Gaming Hub network. So, in the left side, dire makita ang amo DHCP server na connected siya sa switch. So, ang mini amo switch, ilan server DCP. So, ang mini isa kwan, diri ni isa makita ang mga IP address ini. Diri kami nag-add sa kwan. So, sa PCAS, ini sa PCAS amo sa left side diri and VLAN server. Tapos diri ini sa left side mo DHCP. So, DHCP server is responsible to automatically assigning IP address to the connected computers. So, the PC0, PC1, PC2. So, to receive their IP address automatically from the DHCP server. So, dire makitang DHCP IP address dari static ini amo si static niya tapos dire sa DHCP so makita ini amo ni sa IP address ng DHCP sa kada PC ini sila dire makita sa PCAS static mini sa DHCP yes sa may siya tanan ni kuan PC ay kuan IP address ng DHCP sa static. So this setup reduce manual configuration at makes network manage easier in internet coffee. So sa router amo router ini sa kabuok. So this is used to connect the different parts of the network and manage data traffic between them. So it allows communication between this DHCP network and the VLAN network. So in the amini and VLAN namo nagamit ka man ng isa ka switch tapos tuyo ka duha ka PC tapos isa ka laptop. So the device connected here belong to a different VLAN. So switch which separates them from the other network group. So this VLAN is used to isolate customer and staff devices for a better organization and security. So PC3, PC4 sa any laptop. So using VLAN helps to prevent unnecessary access between different user group. So this improves network security and performance in the network coffee environment. So amini amo gamit diri. Tapos ini amo switch. So the switch are used to connected multiple devices with the same network segment. So multiple isa gamit ang switch Tapos this PC represent customers gaming computers while the laptop represent a staff of admin device. So ang mini admin device namo si ini kibali mag-monitor sa mga mga PC. Tapos all devices are properly connected and organized according to their network rules. So we test the network using the ping command to try na to kung successful ba siya. Yes, successful. Wala sa pikas. Successful siya. Next dire. Successful gyapon siya. Sa laptop, sa admin. Yes, successful siya. So what if sa laptop to laptop? Try. PCS, check gyapon siya. Dire. Yes, successful. Okay man siya, mudaya man siya. Sa laptop. Yes, successful. So amo to. Successful ping results confirm that device can communicate properly across the network. So amo rad to, amo na ni amo ko na Internet Coffee Gaming Hub network design.
To just connect multiple devices within the same network segment. The desktop computers represent customer gaming computers, while the laptop represents a staff or administrator device. Each device has a specific rule within the network, which helps maintain proper control and organization.
We implemented a centralized network administration model. All network management and control are handled by a single administration. This model is suitable for an internet cafe because it simplifies monitoring, maintenance, and troubleshooting.
In conclusion, our Internet Cafe network design demonstrates an efficient and organized system using Cisco Packet Tracer. The use of DHCP simplifies IP address management, while VLAN improves security and network organization. This project shows a small organization can implement a function and secure network design.